Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install LMDE 7 Gigi edition on VMware workstation. Okay, LMDE means Linux Mint Debian Edition. Okay, first go to Linux Mint official website and download. It is linuxmint.com. Then hover mouse on this, download. Then see here we have the LMDE. It is the latest version. Click on it. See here LMDE is a Linux Mint project which stands for Linux Mint Debian Edition. Okay. See here we have the alternative to Ubuntu Debian Edition. Click on download. See, it is Cinnamon Edition and its size is about 3 gigabytes. Then scroll down. See here we have the mirrors to download. Click on any one of them. No need to register. See, download started and size is about 2.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Now click on this create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Next, then select the downloaded ISO file. See here I have the LMDE 7 Cinnamon 64-bit ISO file. Select it and click on open. Then click on next. Then select Linux, then type as select Debian because this is Linux Mint Debian Edition. Okay, then click on next, then provide the name. I am giving same LMDE 7 Gigi VM. Name can be anything. Then click on browse to store this virtual machine files and folders. Select the path where you have the enough space. Click on OK, then click on next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these virtual machine hardware information, click on customize hardware. I am giving memory as 4 gigabytes, or you can provide it in megabytes here. Then click on close. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click, then select settings, or click on edit virtual machine settings. Okay, and if you want to provide description, you can provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is start LMDE. Hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control from your keyboard to release the cursor. Now see here, if you want to use for live or testing purpose, use it and shut down. But if you want to install permanently, see here on the desktop we have the install Linux Mint. Right click, then open. See here, welcome to LMDE 7. This program will ask you some questions on install LMDE on your computer. Let's go. Then select the language and click on next. Select the time zone. You can select on the globe or you can select from this drop down. Okay, I am going with the default. Then click on next. Keyboard model or keyboard layout, I am going with the default, so click on next. Now create or setup user. I am giving user full name as @school. Then provide the computer name or host name. Later also you can change it. Then this is the username. Then set the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on next. Automated installation. Select the device. Then click on next. Select yes. Confirmation again. Yes. If you want to install the grub bootloader to menu, you can select any one of them. If you don't want, unselect it. It is up to you. Then click on next. See, this is the summary of the virtual machine. LMDE virtual machine. If you want to modify any one of them, click on this pack. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the first installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation finished. Now click on S to restart computer to use new system. So select S. See, remove the installation medium. Then press enter to continue. So Alt Control to release the cursor. Right click, then settings. Then go to CD DVD and select these. In device status, unselect both the check boxes. Then click on OK. Then come to virtual machine, hit enter. See, now it is rebooting to LMDE 7. Its code name is Gigi. Now provide the password of this user. Hit enter. Now open terminal. Now verify the version. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed LMDE 7. Its code name is Gigi. Okay. See here, its ID is like Debian. Debian code name is Trixie. So the first step after connecting to LMDE 7 is we have to update the package. Sudo apt update -y offset sudo apt upgrade -y. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is updating. Okay, so this will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LMDE 7 Gigi edition on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.